Every day, billions move across borders, slowly, expensively, and without transparency. FX is broken, crypto on-ramps are fragmented, and no system unites them compliantly at a global scale. Until now, introducing WoCash FX, the world's first hybrid swap engine that blends fiat, crypto, and stablecoins into one instant, intelligent, compliant platform, with AI-driven rate routing, full OFAC and AML compliance, Chainalysis risk scoring, and a transparent liquidity provider breakdown. WoCash delivers the best global rate in seconds. We launch in America's 5 most powerful FX hubs: Dallas, New York, Orlando, Las Vegas, and San Francisco, unlocking the largest diaspora, trader, and SME corridors on Earth. From traders to immigrant families to global businesses, WoCash delivers instant swaps, lower costs, and rewards powered by our What utility token in a $7 trillion daily FX market. We're building the first transparent, compliant FX super aggregator engineered for scale, designed for regulators, and ready for global expansion. This is the future of global currency: instant, intelligent, borderless. Join us. Invest in WoCash FX.